Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can set up a Fiverr whole profile. So let's get started. At first I will go to my Chrome and click on it Fiverr and click here profile. Now I have to click here share how to plan to use Fiverr. Click here, click on it and click next. Again start selling. Now click here become a seller. Click on continue, continue, again continue. This is the page that I have to fulfill. You can see my Fiverr profile completed rating 25%. Now I have to type here my name. You have to type here your name according to your NID card or passport or a driving license. Now I will type here my full name. Now you have to click here display name. That name will show on your Fiverr profile. So you can type here according to your wish. Again I will type here my display name. Now you have to select a profile. So you must be upload a pic who has an NID card, passport or a driving license. Because when Fiverr verify your account, then they will verify your picture with your NID card, passport or a driving license. So I will select my pic. This is my picture. You can see this is my picture. Now you have to type here description, actually what service you are providing from your Fiverr profile and Fiverr account. So I will type here according to my wish and knowledge. So you have to type according to your services. So I typed here my description. Now you have to select a language. After add language, then you have to click continue. Now you have to select your occasion. I will add digital marketing, and now you have to select subcategory: video marketing, social media advertising. Then scroll down. Now you have to select skills that you gained before. So I will type here my skill. Google Ads, click on export, edit. Now we will have to select education. Also, you have to select your digital marketing from to end. So I will give it. Okay. So click on scroll down. Scroll down. Now you have to select your education. I educated from Bangladesh. Then I will select Bangladesh. Title select BA and major would be finance. Year would be 2019. Okay. You have to type here your college or university name. So I will type here my college name and click on edit. Now you have to type your certification. So I will paste here my certification name and certification from Google. You have to type here years. So I will type my years. Click on edit. Now if you have a website, then you have to type the website URL, or if you don't have any website, then you can add here your any social media accounts like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or another account. So I will type here my website URL, then click on continue, and email is verified. Now you have to add a phone number. Okay, so I will add here my phone number. First you have to select your country, then you have to type here your phone number. Click to verify call by message or verify by call. Okay, so I will click here verify by message. Click it. Now check your phone. Fiverr will send you a code. You have to type from your phone. Submit code. Now you can see verification complete. Click on OK. And you have to select a security question. So I will select this question and answer. You have to remember this question and answer. So I will take a screenshot of it. Okay, now click finish. Verification complete. Again click on it. Okay, you can see completion rate 100%. This way you can complete your Fiverr profile. Thank you so much to watching my full video.